Hey guys, today we're making a chatbot. Yeah, see, just right here. So first, it knows when we say hello. It's just not basic like that. You can even do like hello, and it still knows it's hello. It can also play stuff for you, like play bad habits, and then see, you can choose service YouTube Music, or Spotify. Imagine you choose YouTube Music, it's gonna be in YouTube Music, Spotify, and it's gonna turn Spotify. And also, what's cool is that it's also searching for bad habits on YouTube Music and also data. It can also know the time. See, time. Um, what's the date? What's the date? And then see, it knows the date is C. It can also do the time. Oh, we already did that, but it also knows the days and months. See, days and months. See, this is very basic. This is very basic. Okay, it's just a basic chatbot, but it can do very cool and helpful stuff for you. And also, you can also rename it. See, rename chatbot, and let's call it hello, and let's type hello. It's gonna say, see, hello, my name is hello. See. So before we begin, make sure you subscribe because I have my subscribers. Yeah, I don't want to say it. My subscribers are really low. I basically don't even have any subscribers. So let's start. First, you have to create a file called index.html. And then we're using Bootstrap 5. Okay, you can pause the video and copy everything. But before you do that, now, pause the video and copy everything. When you're done, just rename this chatbot, and then let's begin. So first, if you see over here, you have the outside layer, the container. Then you have this and also this. These two, that and that. If you go and look inside the code, you can see this is a container. So first, see, it's only that much. So container, div class container. So dot container, and inside of that, it's a div with the ID of Flexbox. So box, right? Flexbox. A div with the ID of Flexbox. So the Flexbox should be alright. Flexbox, and we do the div ID bar later. But first of all, over here we need to create two other files, style.css and script.js. After those two files are made, we can continue. So after the flexbox, we need to create a div with the ID of box. So hashtag box. And then, and then also we create a div. Yeah, so we'll do this. So div ID bar. So first, you need to type hashtag bar. Then in that bar, you need to put a h2 with the, what is it? Yeah, fa dot user alt. Yeah, you know what this is? Because we got font awesome. Make sure you have this link in it. It's then we get a user image. I'll show you how it's gonna look like. When you got, I'll show you. When I mean user image, a user icon. Just wait. See? Ta-da! That's what we got. And also, we need. Now it looks ugly, but I'm sure at the end it's gonna look like that. So now you can inside this you need to make it have the style margin 10 10 10 0.5 inches. So yeah, I'll show you. Style is equal to margin 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 10 pixels, and then what was this? Was the last one? Yeah, 10 and then 10 and then yeah, 0.5 inches. Sure, you see now. I know it's not gonna look good, but where is our thing? Where? Now? Now let's see. So this is what we got now. A little better. So inside that we have a span, font family Roboto. The first, yeah. Now go to Google Fonts. Google Fonts, and then select, go to Roboto, and then get, and then select regular 400, and then over here, you click the link and not the import, and then copy it. And then over here on top, add it like that, and down, copy this, and then and then go back here, close this window in here, and then let's see, yeah. Inside here, click span with the span, and yeah, style. Set the style attribute to the thing we just copied. This one, this one. If you haven't copied, make sure you copy this, or just pause the video and copy that code. After you're done, in here, type in Chatty. That's our chatbot's name. Like ChatGPT and everything else, ours will be called Chatty. Chatty. That's a bit better. See, we're getting the look. And ID name. Yeah, and then make this ID is equal to name. Oops. ID name. And let's see. ID name, and then ID, and then also after the font family Roboto, make sure in the style attribute also put in this margin left. I think it was 0.2 inches. Now let's check this out. A bit better. We're going to get it. Margin left 0.2 inches. And then No. It wasn't 0.2 inches. Sorry, I was doing something else. I am really dumb. Over here, put margin left, 50 pixels. 50 pixels. And now it should see. Same with. And in here, all after the span and hashtag, also put. Hey. Okay, yeah. Also here, after this, after the hashtag, put another span. Cool, right? Span class Fafa electricity. Ellipsis V means ellipsis vertical. Now there should be something like that. Okay. Okay. And then style margin right 0.2 inches. This is the place for 0.2 inches. Style margin right 0.2 inches. Now 0.2 inches and ID BTN. It's ID to BTN. BTN. Yes. That's done with the bar, and then after this you have to put a P element. You see now? This looks better. A P element. Like that. Okay, and then now down after this you have to put wait, we missed something. No, it's okay, We didn't miss anything. Over here, a div class toast. Yeah? And then that div class toast header and div class toast body. E. So in the toast header, we have to write strong class me auto chatbot settings. So I'll show you. The strong tag class me auto chatbot settings. Don't worry, this isn't gonna be big. This a button type button class be and close. Data we dismiss toast in there. So the BTN type button, okay. Type button. Yeah, BTN type button. Class BTN close. So I'll show you. It's class and close. And then now data bs dismiss toast. So data bs dismiss equals host. Now host in the div class host body, bdn class bdn primary. So in the .btn bdn primary. Yeah, exactly what I wanted. Yes, and then it's on click equals. So in here, on click document get element by ID name inner. So follow this. Our first thing in JavaScript document dot get element by ID, and what we call it, name. Okay, here make sure you don't use double quotes, use single quotes. Dot in our text equals, let's see, prompt, and then new name, new name, new name. Yeah. Now let's see what's like. No, now it won't. Now it won't work. We just need to add the thing at the really bottom. But first, we need to do the input class body, right? That's the most important thing. Input group. So under the so outside of the, wait, is it still inside the box? Oh, it's still inside the box, input group. So not the flex box. So input. So the input group, and the input group should be input type search ID input. Dot, and then the class, no, it's the ID input. And that's, we don't need a name. It's already done. Yeah, and a button class btn and outline parameter. Yeah. Okay. Now it's button. Not button. So button dot bdn primary, and then dot paper plain dot input group append. Now, and then we need to add enter, and that's our button. Now let's see. Now that's only the thing. And also in our input, I forgot one thing over here. Make the class and form control, and make sure also, these classes, they won't work unless you have this link. At the beginning I told you to copy it, you should have, okay? And you should. Okay, now let's see it. Check this out. Okay, that's not too big. And also in this thing, also put autocomplete in the not in the input, autocomplete off. And now it should be good. Good. But here now we have to make this 10 million times shorter with CSS, of course. But before you do that, we need to do this last thing, script. At the end, we have to do in the first box. No, this is outside the container, so this should be outside the container. So script. First, we need to do script src script.js. And then after that, no, before it, we can do the script. And then we can, let's just copy paste the script. It's technically the same because I made this thing, of course. So just pause the video and copy that. So now let's see. If when you click this, see, ta-da, you know. And also in this btn, where is it? Yeah, over here. Make sure you type rename chatbot. And then now it should work. 100% should work. So now over here, rename chatbot, and let's call him hello, like we did in the beginning of this video. Hello, and ta-da. Now this looks pretty ugly, so we will change it with CSS. So here we can go into the CSS code, and yeah, over here I'll just copy and paste half of it first. And then guys, pause the video and then pause the video and copy this code, okay? Pause it. It's the same thing. It's technically the same thing. It just doesn't waste time because I already made this. What's the point of doing it again? Because I made this chatbot. That looks great, right? And then in the script.js, of course, we won't copy and paste, okay? I mean, when I say that, we're only gonna copy and paste for like, we're not allowed to copy and paste from this. I mean, from this. Only sometimes, okay? Understand. But now let's check our chatbot out and see, ta-da, it looks okay. Okay. Speaking of that, no, that's not okay. Sorry guys, go back to the HTML. You see this thing? You take the input group we made and then put it outside. And now it should work, right? Now, see? It looks exactly same to same. Now let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Except we're missing this. We'll do that in JavaScript. It's supposed to work with JavaScript. Let's see, ta-da. But the button looks weird, right? We'll have to change that to BTN BTN primary. Instead of BTN BTN primary, but BTN outline primary. Now it should work. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, and also let's check in the style.css. Okay, so also again, just a tiny small fix before you go. you know this btn, give it the ID of submit. Okay, make sure it's submit. Okay, and then see, ta-da, interactive button with also it's aligning. This isn't curved. See, now it looks exactly the same, except that. See, that's the power. We can do this. So now we need to go to script.js. Okay, script.js. This is gonna take the longest. Okay, but I'm sure I'm gonna make it short. So first, this is the thing. Document. See, I can just do this. I know, but just for the design. See, now, now it looks exactly the same, except this one doesn't work. Very funny. So inside this script, we'll copy the send function. We won't copy the rest, I promise. I need this and this, okay? These two. I'm gonna give the template and you guys copy off of it. Okay? Understand? And then now, from now on, we won't copy. Understand? So now, ta-da! Pause the video and copy all of this. And also, if you don't see the rest over here, I can move it to the side and it's December. Okay, just December. Yeah, okay. Days and months. So first, for async function reply MSG. Okay. So async function, it's a reply. It's called reply, okay? And MSG, it must be called reply because we put it over here. So reply, MSG, and then all these regex stuff. So I'm gonna type the regexes and you can follow through. Open. So the first one is called const r1 is equal to, so yeah, and then hello I. Make sure you do an I. Then it's case insensitive. That means you can do those funky stuff like you can do this. HELLO, and then also you can do that. And it's, yeah. So make sure you tap I. That's good. But now let's see ours. Hello. That's weird. Okay. Guys, go back to HTML code and let's see if the send button actually sends anything. Okay, guys. Yeah. Go back to HTML code and see the button over here, the button tag, the one, this thing. Add an attribute to it. Okay. On click attribute. On click, make it there's a send. And now it should be working. Hello. See? We got a message. We sent a message to Chatbot. Okay? And now go back to our script. Go here. That's R1, hello. R2 is R2 is open. So const R2 equals open with an I, like that. Const and const. So const R3 is equal to yes. Okay. This is quite long, but please let me copy it. Okay. It's so you'll see. So over here, put parentheses. So what and then that character are. So if you're really a beginner and you don't know how to do that character, then you can just do. It depends on where you're from, but from where I am on my keyboard, it's Alt GR and then the key next to the shift, the left shift. So yeah, what are is how, where, who can search. Those are the ones for R3 and const R4 equals slash slash I and then play. Const R5 equals what is it? Day I. Const R6 equals const R6 equals R6 equals month I. Const R7 equals date. Equals no, sorry, R7 is year. R7 is year and R8 is equal to date. Okay, remember that. R7 is year and R8 is date. And also all of them must have an I at the end. Also I forgot with R3, add an I at the end, like that. Okay? Const R9. I think this one was the last one, right? Yeah, equals time I. Okay? Now let's start actually with the main thing. So if it's if R1 dot test on our test on MSG, yes, then we MSG box this function over here. I'll show you. Yeah, this function over here. Yeah, you have to on this always type. So over here we put true, but over here we have to put false because this is the chatbot replying. So yes, make sure MSG box hello. So it's gonna be hello. Hello, my name is, and then sorry, delete this and then do this. Hello, my name is, and then $sign that my name is document get element by ID, and let's call it name dot inner HTML. Yeah, my name is comma. So after, go out of that dollar thingy and then type comma. Comma, what can I help you with? Can I help you with? Okay, yeah. False. So that should be correct. And let's see our first thing. Let's type hello. See, it replied no way. So hello, and then hello, my name is Chatty. What can I help you with? And remember, you can rename this to call it human. And yeah, and then let's do hello again. Hello. Hello, my name is Human. What can I help you with? Cool, right? So what can I help? So now that's it. We can go to type else if else if. So what was the second one? Else if r2.testmsg msg. I'll just copy for this one. I mean, it's quite short. Check this out. Now, pause the video and copy that. And let's go back here and type hello. And then also let's type open, and that code over here will detect a URL. So we type https and then yeah, ta-da, it can open. See, it's gonna open. See, it detected the URL and then opened. It even do a core if I open. I mean, see. And now after that, we will do. Okay, this is long. First, the if else if r4 the testament g l, so it's just put else and if else and else. Okay, so else if r4 the testament g const. Okay, const. Let's just copy the variables. Okay, copy paste. Copy this first section, and I'll walk through. Okay, so const select. So these are basically. So these are the options. The default tab is like gonna say, please choose an option. I'm gonna show you later. But the select is like select. So you can select a service. Like in this one, when you say play bad habits. Then, which service would you like to choose? Please choose an option, and then please choose an option. If you select please choose an option, nothing's gonna happen, okay? But if you choose YouTube, it'll do that. If you choose Spotify, it'll do that. And choose YouTube Music, it'll even go to YouTube Music. See? YouTube Music. See? So if you want that to happen, those are just these are just the options. See? Please choose an option. If you want them to appear, you need to have this code. And also, if we go here, we can copy in this thing. And let's see. Nothing's gonna happen now. And now let's just copy the on change. So, but now just pause and check this out. So now copy this section. If you have already copied this section, copy this section, add this on. And after that, do this. And then copy this section from on change all the way down until here. And now after you're done with that, this is actually the part that makes it long. Okay? Now pause and copy const div all the way to this part. Now when you're done, see? These parts we don't really need to copy. Okay? But right now, let's see what happened. Now if you want to play bad habits, there's a problem. Oh, sorry. You see the if section over here? Don't put test MSP. I was really wrong. Put R4 and then dot test MSP. Okay. Now type play bad habits, and then see which service would you like to choose. This is an option. So YouTube, it'll play on YouTube. YouTube Music, it'll play on YouTube Music. And Spotify, it'll play on Spotify. See? That was really cool. And now else, if R5 dot test R5 dot test, and then you need R5. So it's R5 dot test. So I'm sorry for noise. Now carefully listen. It's R5 dot test MST. R5 dot test MST. Boom. Const date, and then and then is it okay if I copy this last part? Is this for the last part? Okay, please. And pause video, copy that all. Should we begin? Yep. Now let's start. So let's say hello cool that works. Open https www.google.com. Does that work? Yes? Okay, then can you open? Now then can you play bad habits? No, that already worked. Yeah, so now it doesn't know what's the day date. What's the date? See, you don't need to cut that. I just did that because I wanted to test if we can detect and understand what we mean. What's the date? And then, so time, we don't, I'm just doing it because it's short time, and then I'm just doing that, just writing that because I just want to make it short time. So, does it work? Let's check it out. Bam, bam. So, time, and what else did we have? We had we had day and month, year. Yeah. It was the day, month, and year. And also, if you don't understand what this is basically what say open. So this is the open thing. Yeah, the open thing. When you ask it to open, it opens a web page. Yeah. So yeah, so we had what's the day? I'm just running that day because I should today Thursday. Yeah, this is the day I filmed it. It might be not the day that you are here, but in this video, the day I filmed it, see it's Thursday, but on your chatbot, of course it's gonna say a different date. It's gonna say a different day because that's the day what you were on, what you are using this chatbot on. So if I did it tomorrow, it do it Friday, like that. It's not based on my timings. It's just based on where you. Like imagine I was here in a, imagine I was here and I can and write a day and it's gonna say today is Thursday. On the other side of the globe, you write day. It's probably gonna write today is Friday. You know. So that's cool. After that, there's the month. The month, month, what, and then see. The month is April. Yeah, the month is April when I'm filming this. And also the year, yes. Year. What is the year? What is the year? And then the year is 2023. And what's the date? Let's see. What's the date? And it's going to say this date is. And you want to type for stuff like how many stars are there in the universe? How many stars are there in the universe? See? There are 200 billion trillion stars, okay? And if we go here, how many, oh, did I write start? Sorry. But searching for how many stars are there in the universe, see? So, hope you subscribe to this video and hope it works on your computer, okay? And also, if you have any errors, you could just comment on this video and I would fix them. I would love to fix any of your errors, okay? So bye guys.